to Henry's show. Hello, I'm your friend Henry. Today, Unit 5 MNO. Episode 11. MNO. Listen and repeat. Please repeat after me. If you listen, you can repeat after me. But if you're not listening, you cannot repeat after me. So you need to listen and repeat after me. Mouse. This is a mouse. Mouse begins with the M sound. Nut. This is a nut. Nut begins with the N sound. This is the octopus. Octopus begins with the O sound. Now let's trace M. We will write M like this. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Always the circle. So it's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's more easy than easy peasy lemon squeezy. Match and write. And mouse. Mouse begins with the M sound. So you have to trace it. M. What I say, it's all correct, so you don't need to worry. Yes, lowercase m. I did that. Number 1. This is an octopus. Octopus. What the octopus begins with? Octopus begins with O. So, like that. Number 2. M. Why? Because mouse begins with M. See, it's a mouse. So, like that. Number 3. This is a nut. So, let's trace it. Trace it. And now let's move on to the next page. Mouse, melon, map. Nut, net, net. Octopus, ox, ostrich. This is the word what we are going to learn. Picture begins with M. Melon begins with M. N. What picture begins with N? Nut, yes, nut. Nut begins with N. What pictures begins with O? Octopus begins with O. And listen as I'm going to just say the words in there. The circle what I say. Like number 1, melon. Melon starts with M. So I circled. I'm going to make it. I'm not going to listen on CD. Number 2. I'm not going to tell you the answer in number 2. Number 2. Net. Net. What net begins with? Net begins with N. Number 3. Nut. Nut begins with what? N. Number 4. Ostrich. Ostrich. What do ostrich begins with? Ostrich begins with O. Oh. Number 5. Octopus. Octopus. What do octopus begins with? Octopus begins with O. Oh. Number 6. Map. Map. What do map begins with? Map begins with M. We have a story. Let's read a story. Read along. You're going to read with me. You're not going to read by yourself. Who has the map? The mouse has the map. Mouse has a map. Who has the net? Net. The ostrich has the net. Who has the melon? The octopus has the melon. Our sight words has the who. Yeah, well, another grammar. I'll teach you one grammar. If it is singular, I told you singular means one. Plural means more than one. That means it's 2, 3, 4. More than that. You can say 100, 200, 1,000. This is a plural. If it is singular, and he, she, it. Let's say he has, she has, it has. So the octopus has the melon. The octopus has the melon. We have only one, so you have to add has. But if it is they, we have to say they have, we have. But we don't have this now. Just like that I said, we don't have this now. We don't have now. And one more. I told you we have one vowel, A-E-I-O-U vowel. You don't need to know this now, but I'm already telling you that. Octopus is a vowel, O, A-E-I-O-U. You have 2 sounds. You can, in A, we can say A and A. A is also a sound, A. And E, you can say E. And I, you can say I. 2 sound. So in O, we can say O. So you have to say, the octopus has the melon. Now let's move on to the next page. Page 43. M. You have to write 4 times in there and 5 times in there. M. This is writing so that you can write better. Writing is also important. There are many ways to write N. You can write like this. It's still the same, but this is our rule. Yes. I can write like this, as I always write like this, but we cannot write like this. Now I'm going to write like this, so you can follow me more correctly. Oh. Great. Next time, we're going to learn Unit 6 P, Q, R. See you soon. Bye.